And I'm gonna switch into the beauty dish. Switch me into the beauty dish, please.
Which one? Which light I'm just now?
Just move, just put it on that one, yes. I didn't have a name for it. Go ahead and sit. I got you. So so what was happening in the image, I didn't like how bright it looked. So I wanted it deeper like this image is. In order to get that deepness, I had to increase my information to my shadows. So this is taking out shadows, that's increasing it. That's even more dramatic. So the other thing too, if you're looking at this image, you see how it's specular and looks like, you can see like it's like sharp. That sharpness is because of what? What kind of light?
Hard light.
Hard light. Hard light is gonna give you that look. Cause you can even tell on her hair yes. So it makes your highlights look even more crisp. When you use a soft light, which is what we did, it just looks soft. It doesn't look bad. Again, this is more taste. This is not like a requirement to blah, blah, blah. No, there's different ways to do it. What I'm trying to do is read the light, read what's happening. So the light is coming down at an angle because you can see at the top of her forehead. That's what a light is. So my light has to come down at an angle, and that should do everything else because the light coming down at an angle is going to hit that cheek that way. It's going to hit the shoulders and create the shadows back there.
So you would say that's more than likely a one light setup?
Yeah, it's what we have now.
So anytime someone is doing something like what she's wearing right now, where it's a little more revealing, that's crazy. So I'm going up to an F8 because I want to make sure I protect that skin. Keep your head down, keep your head down. I don't like how you're grabbing your jacket. You can put it on your knee or just in front. Yep, just in front. Clasp the hands together. There we go. Like you're in deep thought about something. You're contemplating, bring the hands to your head, even if it remains, no, both hands to your head. There you go. Sit up tall if you're not sitting up tall, but then lean over. There you go. It's just a lot of jacket, that's all. But if I come this way, we can minimize the jacket. Whole different feel switching onto a beauty dish. Yeah, exactly. That's the shot. All right, so now a little more dramatic. Just, you're probably gonna have to move something, but I just want everybody to see it. So you see how moody that is? Matter of fact, leave it. No, you good. We're not gonna change anything. Turn your head this way, lean it that way. So I'm coming even tighter. And when we go to 4.5, it should be perfect or really close. It's close. That means I need to back up a little bit. Because IG needs it at a 4.5. So anytime I'm sending something portrait, I always make it a 4.5 for my clients and for myself. So remember we talked about feathering with the other one? This feathers as well, except it's gonna be a sharper feather. So it's not gonna be, there's no wiggle room. It's either gonna be right where it's supposed to be or it's not at all. And then, yeah, don't move. We're still cropped in. See, now we're getting that lighting that's right from the side. Still stay up tall. So that drama, especially when you make it a black and white, it gives like this really like just, y'all are seeing it. And you see how she's turning her head, it gives a little bit of Rembrandt. It all kind of works out. We can also take that same thing and apply the same principles. Now you guys see we've been using one light this whole time. If you don't have a person here to help you, use anything that you can find to hold up your reflector. I know I have people to help, but I just want to show you, you don't always need people. It's easier with people, but if you don't have people, then you don't have people. Set that bad boy up. Find anything. I remember I took a trip to New York
It was me, my camera, my backpack, and the reflector. I rolled the reflector up, stuck it between my backpack and my back, and just walked around New York. I did 9 shoots that day. And I'm just
travel with them.
super light. So look, I'm like this in New York, just grabbing, shooting, moving, no help. Let's make it work. So you cannot. They want a permit, they want money, they need it right now. So let's get this with a little bit. So when you're adding in, all that did was make that other eye pop a little more. However, I don't like the placement of it. You can always, so when you use your reflector, come as close as you can. When you're trying to have it bounce back, come as close as you can. And also, yeah, there we go. I said I was not gonna shoot that long. I'm going into a rabbit hole, trying to calm my own nerves, but I like what I'm getting. Much better. So we have that option, which when it's black, when it's color, it looks really good too. That blue looks, that looks really good. All right, so let me show you guys one more option.
Don't come here.
Say what?
I don't
know what you just said with you, right? I really don't. I don't. Are you trying to mimic my voice and you making your voice too deep?
You didn't even mean
So now you're making it too high. Now I'm an Animaniac.
Is that a roll? Oh, that's cool.
The what?
I didn't know you had a mic. You were mic'd up.
Oh yeah, this whole time.
Testing. Hey.
They can't hear you. Actually, they can.
So,
Also beauty disc, arms length away, 3 feet. So this is too high. I'm gonna do this anyway, but this is too high. This is not what you use it for. I'm being extra because I'm me and I wanna see what it looks like.
why?
This is how you find out. You just try it out again. I have an idea what it's gonna look like already, but we're gonna see. I like testing stuff out. So that light is too bright, so we're gonna go to F9. Yeah, I figured I was gonna have that fall off was gonna be too hard. That fall off is too much for me, but when you make it black and white, and you add a little bit of this and a little bit of razzle-dazzle, bring this back a little bit in the Bakawama. And then you do this. But then you can also do this. I'm gonna stop in a second.